So, a few weeks ago, the entire internet exploded when one of the biggest YouTuber of all time, MrBeast, said something absolutely crazy. He said, "You can steal his content." Yes, that's truth. He's literally said that. And the comment section everywhere went wild. Okay, MrBeast challenge accepted. But then the reality hits. How do you actually do it? How do you use MrBeast content or anyone's content without getting a copyright claim that monetize your video? And most importantly, how you can actually make money from it. Welcome back to IshraXAI, the place where we turn your curiosity into currency. Please subscribe to get more updates like this. Let's go back to the topic. You see, most people just download the video, re-upload it and get instantly flagged. That's not using content. That's called stealing. And that's not what we are about. Today, I'm breaking down the real strategy that MrBeast is actually hinting at. We are talking about the legal way to reuse content and how to add your own massive value to it. And most importantly, how can you use AI tool to do 80% of the heavy lifting for you? And yes, we are going to beyond YouTube to other platforms where you can earn even more. Stick around because this is a game changer. What MrBeast really meant. It's not about what you think. Before we get into how, let's be crystal clear about what MrBeast actually meant. He didn't mean right click, save, and upload. What he meant was transformative use. This is a key term in copyright law, specifically under fair use. It means you're taking someone else's work and adding new expression to it, like meaning, context, or message to it. You're making it something new. Think of it like this. The original video is the raw lumber. You're not just selling the lumber. You are building a unique piece of a furniture from it and selling that. Example of transformative uses are, so let's take some example for it. Commentary and criticism. You're breaking down why his video editing is so good. Reaction. Showing your genuine real-time reaction to his insane challenges. Analysis. You're analyzing his business model, his market strategies, his thumbnails. Comedy. You're making fun skit about what's like to try and be MrBeast for a day. So, your unique perspective is the product here. The MrBeast video is just a reference material. This is the golden rule that protects you from the claim. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The step-by-step process. How do you actually do this from start to finish? And this is where we bring the AI magic. Step 1. Choosing the right content and ideas. Don't just pick any videos. Pick a video that you can actually add value to it. Is it a video about a crazy challenge? Maybe you can take the psychology behind why we can't actually look into that. Is it a philanthropy video? Or you can take the MrBeast charity. Your take could be how MrBeast charity actually works in the business side. We can also use ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm angles. We can give prompt like give me 10 unique commentary video ideas based on the latest MrBeast video about. So here you can give your video topic. It will spell out a genius idea about you hadn't even thought of it. Step 2. The legal download. You need a clean source. Never just screen record with the watermarks and UI all over it. Use a service like y2med.com or 4K video downloaded to get a high quality clean MP4 file. This is just for you to work with and not to upload directly. Step 3. The script. This is where you add your values. This is the most important part. You need to write a fantastic script that provides your unique commentary throughout the video. Use ChatGPT to outline your script, feed it in the video title and description, and say, act as a YouTube commentator, create a detailed outline for 10 minutes reaction or analysis video for this MrBeast video. Include timestamps for when I should pause and give my commentary. You can even use 11 Labs or any other AI voice tools to create a draft voiceover for your intro to hear how it flows. Step 4. Editing. The magic of transformation. This is where you make it transformative. You're not just playing the entire 20 minutes video in uninterrupted. You're playing a 15 seconds clips, then pause and give your thoughts for a minute. You uses zoom in, on-screen text, graphics, memes, and your own footage as well. Use Adobe Premiere Pro or Descript super easy editing by just editing the text transcript. Use runway.ml or pika.art to generate B-rolls footage. To generate custom B-roll footage based on your script. For example, if you're talking about money, generate a cool AI clips of Money Toronto. This makes your video 100% unique. Step 5. Thumbnails and title. Don't use MrBeast thumbnail, instead make your own. Your face should probably on it, like reacting something that is related to your content. Use Midjourney or DALL-E through ChatGPT Plus to generate crazy concept for your thumbnails. Then use Photoshop or Canva to put it all together. Beyond YouTube, other platforms to earn money. Okay, let's say you have made this awesome transformative video. YouTube AdSense is one of the way to earn money. But what if your video get claimed, or what you want to make money before you hit monetization requirement? Here's where you go for multiple platforms. Facebook Reel and bonus program. Facebook is paying creators a lot right now to post engaging reels. You can take the best 60 seconds clip from your video, a hilarious reaction moment or a crazy reveal, and post it natively on Facebook. Their algorithm is hungry for the content, and bonus payout can be significant. Second is TikTok Creative Program. Similar to Facebook, TikTok pay for longer original content that get views. Post a 1 minute plus version of your best clips, drive traffic to your YouTube channel in your bio. Third is affiliating marketing. In your video description on YouTube and in your bio on any other platforms, use affiliate links. Are you talking about the camera MrBeast used? Give an affiliate link of that camera from Amazon or any other platform. Are you using a specific AI tool to edit? Use their affiliate program if they have one. Fourth is paid sponsorships. As you grow, brand will pay you to integrate their product into your videos. This reaction was sponsored by Brilliant, etc. like that. Your engagement audience is your selling point. Okay, so let's come to the final touch of the video. The real talk and the catch. Now I need to totally honest with you. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes work. MrBeast permission does not mean you're immune to YouTube automated system. You might still get a claim where ad runs and revenues shared, which MrBeast allows. But you should aim to avoid strikes by being truly transformative. The key is adding more value to your take. If your video is just saying, wow, every few seconds, that's not enough. You need to educate, entertain, or inform a way that video should originate. Your personality and insights are the secret sauce for it. The AI tool or just they are help you to execute your visions better and faster. So, there you have it. MrBeast wasn't trolling. He was giving a masterclass in how the modern content ecosystem works. It's about remakes, transformation, and adding your unique voice. And now, with AI tool, you have a team of assistants ready to help you brainstorm, script, edit, and create visuals. You're not just re-uploading it, you're becoming a creator in your own right. You're turning your curiosity about viral trends into a real currency. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button and subscribe to IshraXAI for more ways to leverage AI and smart strategies to build your online income. I want to know what you think and what's the first MrBeast video you would make a transformative video about. Let me know in the comment below. Let's get discussion going. Check out the description for links to every single AI tool that I mentioned today. Some of them have free trials, so you can start experimenting right away. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, it's not about the tools, it's about how you use them. Keep creating, keep adding values, and I'll see you in the next video.